In this video, we will go over how to use the construction calculator. This is a useful tool that allows you to discover energy and carbon savings as well as upfront costs and payback periods associated with green building. The first step is to plug in a zip code. The zip code will load weather-specific data, electricity fuel mixes, as well as your state building code. Once you've entered your zip code, you have to choose between existing home upgrade and new construction. Let's choose new home construction. You're now at a page that has inputs on the left-hand side and outputs on the right-hand side. These inputs are all efficiency measures, as you can see. Because it's new construction, everything is set to the state energy code default. Here, you can see if we want to change something like wall insulation to, let's say, good, we see the upgrade costs change, as well as the money saved on energy per year and the carbon footprint. Let's put this back to the state energy code. If you look up here on the configuration section, the upgrade cost and payback period will not change. That's because we want to be comparing apples to apples. It wouldn't be as useful if we were comparing a 1,000 square foot house to a 4,000 square foot house. Let's set the house size to 2,600. It's important to note here that we have a button that says switch to expert mode. If we click this, you can see that these drop downs turn to sliders. These are terms industry professionals use, and it could be very helpful to use these if you're later on in the design process. Let's keep it on simple mode for right now. Let's start with the windows. Let's change these state energy code windows to triple pane. You can see here that our upgrade costs went up, so did our payback period, and we saved a bit of money, as well as our carbon footprint going down slightly. But this is all about optimizing. This isn't going to be our final design, so let's continue. Let's put our wall insulation at good as well. Okay, so we saw our payback period went down a bit. Let's put our attic insulation also at good. So it went back up. We are saving a bit more money on energy each year, but it seems like the upfront costs outweigh that. Let's check expert mode out. You can see here that when we switch to expert mode, our work is saved. Nothing changes. You can toggle between the two. Let's go down to building tightness. You can see here that we have air sealing, but we don't have an air barrier. You can also see that the range is between 7 and 4. But if we apply an air barrier, the range actually changes, and now it's between 0.5 and 3.8. Let's set this to 1.4. Okay, let's just go back to simple mode. We can change our heating and cooling equipment. Let's change this for a heat pump, and you can set the efficiency type. Let's set it to just a Energy Star baseline, and you can do the same for a hot water heater. We can set this to a heat pump hot water heater, and change things like lighting. And you can see that our payback period has gone down significantly. One great thing about this calculator is that it highlights that buildings are systems. And if you have the ability to do many things instead of just one thing, you'll actually get more bang for your buck. You'll lower your carbon footprint, and you will also recoup your money faster. We're really excited about releasing this tool. We hope you use it. We hope you find it useful. And let us know if you have any questions. We're always happy to answer them.